Hello everyone. What is the big industrial fan and how she works and where she works? I am Ahmad Abdurrahman from Springday from Turkey, and today I will talk with you about the fans. I will describe to you the fans. At first, the big industrial fans are the part who dedicated to taking the unclean air from the place where she works in, and she's playing a basic role in the ventilation process. She works by rotating a number of blades connected to a hub and shaft and driven by motor, and it helps to ventilation in the big areas, for example poultry farms, warehouses and factories. And we have three models from the fans. I will talk about them separately in the next videos, and I will describe to you our fans from Springday. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment, or you can call us on our WhatsApp number, or you can send a mail for us. Thank you very much. Waiting for your requests. Please comment, like and share. Thank you.